Here a little update about the advanced breathing techniques of the Wim Hof method. There are two advanced breathing techniques. One is called the power breath and the other is called the brown fat activation. Now this is a little update because in a other video I've explained this already, but honestly I've made a little mistake when it comes to the brown fat activation. So I would like to correct that, and luckily, yes, I am a teacher, but I'm also a forever student, so it is okay to make mistakes, and hereby I correct them. So I will explain the difference between the power breath and the brown fat activation, and then we will do 2 rounds of brown fat activation. And for the power breath, I refer to the other video that you will find in the description of this video. All right, so the power breath is 50-60 times breathing faster. 50-60 times. You will become dizzy from this. Then after 50-60 times, you take a deep breath in and you squeeze your core muscles, maybe your butt muscles, maybe your arms, and you push the energy towards your head. And it's very well possible you get a little bit of a red face here. Yeah, so that's the power breath. 50-60 times breathing in, holding, squeezing the core, sending it to the head. So what is the brown fat activation? Because it looks like the power breath, but it's essentially different. Brown fat is the stuff that heats up your body, is normally located around here, in the back, same spot, and in between your ribs of your lungs. Now, the brown fat activation can be like 5 or 10 times breathing faster, then breathing in, then squeezing your core and sending it to your back and to your chest. So you don't send it to your head. Now, in the other video, I said you can press it down. It's not wrong, that's also good as long as you don't press it to the head. But since most of the brown fat is in this area and on your back, you want to send it to that area. All right? So a little warning, I've said this like a million times already, but make sure you're safe because you can get so dizzy that there is a very slight chance, I really haven't seen it, I have seen it, but maybe once or twice out of 5,000 people, so there's not a big chance, but there is a chance that you black out. Yeah, so you want to sit down, leaning against something, or lie down. And don't do this while juggling knives in the kitchen, not when you're in your car, and especially not when you're in the water. Yeah, so I've met a few people already who are doing like brown fat activation inside an ice bath. That is really dangerous, and especially if you do it alone, because if you pass out in a bath, I don't have to tell you what can happen, but this is dangerous. So never do this breathing technique in the water. Although it is, used to heat up your body, this is what the brown fat activation does. You don't do this in an ice bath, you do this afterwards or maybe before, and make sure you sit down. If you do this standing, you may pass out. Don't want that. So in short, be safe. Okay, so let's do the brown fat activation. So make sure you're safe, sit down, lie down, sit down with leaning back. So 10 times breathing, you can do it 5 times too, but I want to really let you feel what happens. So we're gonna breathe 10 times, then breathe in and squeezing our core and sending the energy or the oxygen or whatever you wanna make out of it to your chest and your upper back. Yeah, here we go. Take a moment to settle. Times fast. Everything out. Fully in, hold, squeeze. Ten counts, let go. And immediately, let's do another round, because the good things in life you always have to do twice or more often. Here we go again. 10 times fast. Fully in and hold and squeeze. And let go. Take a moment to come to your senses again. I'm not sure if after 2 of these rounds you can already feel that you're becoming warmer, but this is the brown fat activation that heats up your body. Let me know if you have a question. You can comment or connect with me in any way: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, whatever. Email me. If you want to know more, go to my website, which is below in the description as well, timvandervliet.com. And I thank you for your time and wish you a lot of luck. Make sure you're safe. Don't do this standing in the water or driving a car. Thank you.